Hi guys, so today we're going to make a very basic house. We're going to do it at our own pace, so you're watching this video on your own. And you can pause this video, you can start this video, you can go back, whatever you need to do to get it. Obviously, you can explore and do whatever you need to do in this program, but I'm going to give you the basics today. So the first thing that you need to know is how to move around. Right now, I can zoom in and out. If you're on a Chromebook, you can use your fingers and go over the keypad with like a peace sign, and that will zoom you in and out. But my favorite tools to move around are down here. If you go to this bottom left-hand corner button down here, I'm going to press the orbit button. So if you click this, click it somewhere, and then drag, you can move around. You can look at the sky, ooh la la. Another button that you might want to use is this little hand tool. If you click it, click somewhere you want to go, and then pull towards you, it takes you there. But it doesn't mess with your perspective. So like using this won't make you look at the sky or something. So zooming, orbiting, and then the hand tool. Definitely need to know those. Now let's go ahead and make our house. You want to make your house somewhere where the man is not. He's always going to be staring at you. He's kind of creepy. I'm going to make my house right here so that way I can see it. You're going to go to the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is over here. Oop, where is it? Over here. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. It should look something like this. Little rectangle tool. And you're going to click in the very center. It says origin. That's how I know I did it right. I'm going to click and drag. Make sure that this line is blue. So if it turns red or something, don't place it. Just make sure it's blue. Make it as big or as small as you want. This is going to be the base of our house. It's going to be the floor. Now we're going to use my favorite feature, which is the push and pull tool. So it's one down. I'm going to click it here. And you can raise it up as high as you want. If you want a 2-story house, if you want a little itty bitty hobbit house, make it short. I'm going to do maybe a 2-story house today. All right, I'm going to orbit again so that I can just see a little bit better. And I'm also going to zoom out just a tiny bit and then zoom in. Okay, so now I want to add some windows to my house. So I'm going to go back to that rectangle tool, and you can literally start anywhere you want on the sides of the house and draw yourself some windows and maybe a door for your person. But it doesn't look very 3D. I'm going to go to the push and pull tool again, and I'm going to push in those elements just a little bit. And doesn't that look a little bit better? Of course, you don't have to do windows like I did. Did you know if you go to the rectangle tool and then go, you can find a circle. And I can make a circle window. And then I'm going to go back to the push and pull tool and push it in. Now, my roof is very flat. Maybe you want your roof flat, maybe you don't. I do not want my roof flat. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make it not flat. All right, now you're going to use that drawing tool. You're going to go to the pencil, click the pencil again, and when you're ready to make a roof, and I'm just going to show you a traditional roof, you're going to basically hover your mouse on this line on the side of the building. You're going to notice if you go slowly and you head towards the middle, it's going to change to this little blue-green dot, and it says midpoint. That means you did it correct. Click it, and then drag a line all the way across. The line is red. That's good. And then you're going to see it connect with the other midpoint on the other side. This is going to be the roof of our house. I'm going to go to the Move tool. So that's down here. It has 4 arrows on it. Click it, press the Move tool, find that line, click, and drag it up. Oh my gosh, look, there's your house. Now your house looks very boring. Did you know you can add some textures to it? You can just click and drag and make your house a certain material. Maybe I want a wood house, brick house. All right, I'm going to go over here. There's this little cube that says materials. I'm going to click it once. It gives you like some basic options, like if you want your house red, fine. But those don't look very realistic. I'm going to click browse. Up here it has a little magnifying glass. Let's do some brick on the outside. Click, click, click. There's some really cool ones. Maybe you want glass. Glass is really interesting. I can click and I can add glass or like metal. My recording's about to end, but I want you guys to experiment today. There is no wrong answer. We are going to take a picture of what we created, so be ready for that. Have fun. Don't worry. Remember, you can always rewatch this video and get some ideas. Just go back to SketchUp, come back to this video, whatever you need to do. All right, have fun, guys.